Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
A blinking check engine light and an inability to start your car indicate a serious malfunction, often related to the engine or emission control system. This situation requires immediate attention, as it might signify misfires that can damage the catalytic converter, leading to costly repairs. Check for obvious issues such as loose connectors or damaged wiring. However, it's strongly advised to get a professional diagnostic to pinpoint the exact cause and prevent further damage to your vehicle.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.